Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play a minor 7th bar chord with a root on the 6th string. This bar chord is an E-shaped bar chord, or this root is on the 6th string. And a minor 7th bar chord is a really easy bar chord to play. In this scenario, we're going to be playing an A minor 7 bar chord. I'm going to take my index finger and place it over strings 1 through 6 on the 5th fret. And I'm going to play all those notes except for one. I'm going to take this ring finger and place it on the 7th fret of the 5th string to play that E. And other than that, all those other notes are played with the index finger. And when you play it all together, it's like this. Again, a really easy chord to play. Minor 7 bar chord. Have fun with it. Add it to the mix. Keep on jamming.